Hey, welcome to my channel, Cooking with Manual Focus. And today, hey, I know you see right there those delicious smoked buffalo wings. Hey, that's what we're making today. And you already see in the background right there. Hey, I got that fire going. Hey, and we about to make these absolutely delicious buffalo smoked wings. Hey, we'll see you down at the workstation. Hey, let me get this fire prepared. We'll see you in a little bit. I always say, hey, if you let somebody cut your wings for you, it's gonna be more expensive. So let me show you how easy it is just to trim your wings and get them ready to go. So what you wanna do is you wanna find that joint on the tip, just like that. You remove that tip, and then now you got the drum and the flat, and you wanna go down and find that joint where that flat and that drum meets. And just like that, simple, you got your drum, then you got your flat, and then you got your end piece right here. Hey, you can make some good stock out of that, so don't throw that away. All you got to do, trim your wings up, hey, and you in the game. Save some money, and you're making your own wings, fam. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get the rest of these prepared, and then we're gonna get these bad boys on that smoker. Now you got all your wings right, and look what I did. So I trimmed these bad boys, and you see right here the overhanging meat on those drums, right? So you can keep those on there, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use this for another recipe, like some popcorn chicken or whatnot. So I'm gonna save these up, and then we'll have another recipe for this right here. Now, fam, we're gonna keep this simple, right? So I got some avocado spray, and I want these wings to get crispy, so I'm just gonna lightly coat them. Now I want to wake these wings up because, like I said, I want them to be, you know, buffalo sauce wing. So I'm going in with a little cayenne pepper, hey, to wake these wings up. I want them to be a little bit spicy. Now my spice tolerance is on the higher side, so if you don't want yours to be like spicy, hey, leave this step out right here, and you can just go with the buffalo sauce that we'll add later. But we're going in with, again, cayenne pepper, and then I'm gonna hit it with a little bit of Creole seasoning. Now I don't want to overdo this because, again, with the buffalo sauce that we have, it's going to be, you know, enough sodium to take and enough flavor to take this recipe over the top. But again, I just want to add just a little bit of something just to get it, you know, spicy, because that's what I like. I like spicy wings, man. So we'll get this mixed in. I get another coat of that seasoning on these wings, hey, fam, and then we'll be ready to go on that smoker. All right, fam, I got that smoker in the background that's speaking to me. Now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go 300 to 325 within that range because we want some nice crispy wings, right? Now, what I'm using is some hickory wood, and my lump charcoal is a mix between hickory and oak. So that's gonna give it a nice smoke profile. Now, when the smoker gets up to temp, hey, we're gonna put these bad boys on, and we're gonna let that smoke roll. So we'll see you guys in a little bit. All right, fam, you see that smoke right there? Hey, this smoke is singing to me like Patti LaBelle. Now, look at this. Hey, we sitting at 300 degrees. Now we're gonna get these bad boys on the smoker. Now, what we wanna do is we wanna take the drums and we're gonna put them closer to the firebox in our placement because they're gonna take a little bit longer to cook, but we want everything to come out, you know, relative at the same time. So again, our placement is going to be drums closer to the firebox, and then we're going to have our flats closer to the smoke chimney. Now we got these wings all situated. We're going to let this top down and let the smoker do what it do. And if you're looking, you ain't cooking, fam. So we'll see you guys, hey, in a little bit. All right, fam, so we're going to look at these wings. And what we want to do is we're going to remove some of these flats because they're ready to go. Hey, they look good and they crispy. Look at that right there. And again, fam, like I said, your flats are gonna cook faster than your drums. So I'm gonna let these drums go a little bit longer. So fam, I'm gonna hold these flats right here until these drums come up to where I want them to be. But they look absolutely gorgeous. Yes, sir. All right, fam, who am I kidding? You already know I'm gonna keep them holding right, but I gotta get a taste test, fam. Nice, crispy skin. Hey, we're in the game, fam. Woo! Hey, that's good right there. Hey, Focus fam. The rest of these bad boys ready to come off the smoker. Hey, look at that right there. Hey, absolutely amazing, fam. So we'll get the rest of these off, and we're gonna get them coated in that buffalo sauce, fam. And I took these about, 15 minutes more than the flats. Like I said, perfect, fam. So, fam, this is why I love this smoker box, because I can use this top like a stove, right? We're going in with a stick of butter. We're gonna let this melt. Now, fam, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bring in that Frank's Red Hot, and we're gonna go in with about a cup or so Frank's Red Hot, and then we're gonna go in with a little bit of garlic powder, about a tablespoon, and we're gonna mix this. Fam, check this out. Hey, we're in the game. Nice, easy buffalo sauce right there. We're in the game, fam. All right, fam, we got our mountain of smoked wings right there, and they look delicious. Now, look at this right here. Hey, that's that buffalo sauce. Hey, we about to get these bad boys tossed in that sauce, and we're gonna do them in batches because we got a bunch of them. So, hey, we in the game. They smell absolutely delicious, fam. So I'm gonna get me a little bit. Even without them with the buffalo sauce, fam, they are absolutely delicious. But hey, let me get a little bit of buffalo sauce on them. Like so. And then we're gonna get these bad boys tossed in that sauce. Hey, and look at this, fam. Absolutely phenomenal. Now what we're gonna do is just plate these bad boys up and get the rest of them prepared. And fam, we in the game. All right, fam, there you have it. Look at that right there. Absolutely amazing, delicious smoked buffalo chicken wings. Hey, we got to get this bad boy a taste test. Hey, fam, cheers. And that right there, that's amazing, fam. You already see, skin is nice and crispy. That easy buffalo sauce is on point, fam. Hey, you in the game. Now, if you're new to this channel and you like this content, hey, go ahead, smash that like button, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Turn on those notifications so you know when I release my content. Now, for the Focus fam that's been rolling me for a while, hey, go ahead and get these wings on that smoker, get them on that table for game day, and we'll see you guys on the next recipe.